Here's an egg. What comes to mind? Maybe. However, in Chinese food, more and more. Alright, today we're making a dish that's simple, light, and super tasty. Get set, go. Peel the tomatoes first. Like I do, roast it over fire. It's very easy to peel. Look, it peels easily. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces and set aside. We'll use them to make sauce later. Today's protagonist is 7 eggs, put aside for later use. Green onions, garlic, and bird's eye chilies. Prepare more garlic. Press it like me, which is very easy to peel. It's very convenient. Cut into minced garlic. And set aside. Cut the bird's eye chili into small pieces. Those who like spicy food can mix them with minced garlic and stir fry them together. Those who don't like spicy food can put them aside. Green onions and cut into scallions. We don't like spicy food very much, so we prepare them together with bird's eye chilies. Sprinkle before serving. Make a sauce. 1 spoon light soy sauce. 2 spoons of red rice vinegar. You can also use jiangang vinegar instead. A spoonful of dark soy sauce. A spoonful oyster sauce. Seven teaspoons of white sugar. A spoonful of cornstarch. Add some purified water. Stir well. Today's ingredients include minced garlic, scallions, bird's eye, chilies, and eggs. The prepared sauce. Diced tomatoes. Turn on the heat and heat the wok. When the wok wall is smoking, pour in a little more cooking oil. We're going to make fried eggs. Swirl the wok to coat it evenly. Pour in the egg. Don't turn it over immediately. Wait until the bottom is fully set and turn it over. Fry until it's golden brown. Until it's golden brown. It will be more fragrant. Take out and set aside. Pay attention and fry each egg to perfection. Don't be impatient in this step. When frying eggs consecutively, the oil gets very hot. To avoid oil splatter, don't use high heat. After frying each egg, turn down the heat. Only after adding the next egg to the wok should you turn it back up to medium. This way, you won't have to worry about the oil splashing. Okay, fry it like this until browned. Drain and set aside. For the remaining oil, stir-fry minced garlic until golden. Until garlic is slightly browned, and set aside. Clean the wok and restart the heat. Heat the wok until it smokes. Pour in cooking oil. Turn the wok to coat it. Add diced tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to season. Use medium heat for this step. Stir constantly with a spatula to prevent burning and bitterness. Simmer until the sauce is thick. Pour in the prepared sauce. Maintain medium heat the entire time. Cook until the mixture comes to a boil and bubbles, and the soup has thickened. Then, add the fried eggs. Use chopsticks to stir it, ensuring that each fried egg is soaked in the soup and coated with sauce. And looks incredibly appetizing. Sprinkle with scallions and bird's eye chilies for color and flavor. Turn off the heat. and serve. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. The ingredients are simple, and every family has it. When you don't know what to eat, it's your first choice. It's simple, quick, and delicious. It's a great rice puller. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. Okay, let's eat. See you next time.